What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. This video was inspired by one of my lovely supporters here on the YT. Shouts out to Miss Magic and Marriage, who commented on one of my videos and expressed that her 8-year-old son wanted lock styles. However, the only ones she knew were for girls. This is the first of 2 lock styling techniques I will be sharing with you guys. Let's get into the video. Nice crispy 2-strand twist, you want to go ahead, always the lock on the right will cross over the lock on the left, and from there they will wrap around each other. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Lock on the right crossing over the lock on the left, okay? And this is the start. Now before we wrap them around each other, we're going to twirl and wrap them around each other, just like that. We're gonna twirl, wrap them around each other. We're gonna twirl, wrap them around each other. We're gonna twirl, wrap them around each other. 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 Okay, now I'm going to stop here because I want to share something with you, and the twirling is what creates this rope look that you see here. Okay, that's why we twirl as we wrap around, because we want that crispy rope look just like you see here. And another way to know that you are wrapping the lock in the right direction and that you're doing it correctly is I could just let this go and it won't unravel. See, the locks kind of support each other and you can just let it go and it won't unravel. Now once you have continued your twist, twirl, wrapping around each other, twirl, wrapping around each other, at this point you can go ahead and put a rubber band at the end, and that'll be the end of that. I'm going to be showing you the same technique when working with locks that are vertical, okay, as opposed to locks that are horizontal. All right, so just like before, we're going to start off with our 2 locks. Now in this particular situation, you're going to apply the same technique. Whichever one of these 2 locks that you decide to start off with, it's always going to cross over to the left. So I'm going to take the 2 locks and you'll hold the 2 locks just like I have here, and I'm just going to take the bottom one and start off, cross over to the left. Okay, we're going to twirl and twist. Okay, twirl and twist. We're going to twirl and twist. We're going to twirl and twist. Twirl, twist. Twirl and twist. Twirl and twist. Twirl and twist. Twirl and twist. This concludes my demonstration on how to do 2-strand twists. The technique that I shared with you guys, twirling before you twist, will give you this rope effect that you see here on these 2-strand twists. These are crispy 2-strand twists, and one of the reasons that I love 2-strand twists is because they last a really long time. So if you have a son or a daughter and you want to style their hair, try this technique, and I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. Okay, so for Miss Magic and Marriage, I hope you try this technique with your son and that he loves his hair when you do this. If you do this, and if you do, please comment down below and let me know. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video wherever you share cool stuff, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter. Comment down below and let me know if this video was helpful to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyata here. Peace.